what I like to do is to build and cultivate each of those areas, as many as I can, and build a portfolio of leadership styles. Whilst for me, when I moved into industry, I started at a small company because I wanted to have autonomy. I wanted to wear lots of different hats. I wanted to work on lots of different projects. But then the cons of that are you don't necessarily have that support. You don't necessarily have that structure in place around you. So you have to build that and be self-sufficient and drive yourself forward. Understanding your team members' motivations, understanding how they like to work, how they like to be communicated with. These are the kinds of things that you can do really proactively to find out how best to build a cohesive and motivated group. How should we think about medical affairs impact? And so for me, I think about it in layers, hence I've got this idea of an impact onion where you peel back the different layers. So that's a short, hopefully short introduction to who I am. Hopefully you get a sense of the kinds of things that I've been doing. The key piece here is to understand that I've worked with and I've built, led and coached multiple teams at different levels across my career.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mayur Joshi, for such an insightful session and taking out valuable time for our students. To watch the full video, click on the link below and subscribe to our channel.